Hey Dally, how's it going? My name is Jose Reyes, and I recently spoke on the phone with you in regards to me recording a short video for you, showing you some simple steps on how you can improve your online presence. Now, before I go into the video, I just want to say normally when I do these videos, I do an analysis of your website. However, I wasn't able to find one, so pretty much in this video, if you were to have a website, just follow what I do here in this video and explain to you, and you should be able to see a difference when it comes to your online presence. So I'm going to be using your competition as an example so you know things you got to do when you have your website. So first things first, the three topics we'll be talking about this video will be content, backlinks, and citations. So let's get started real quick. So when it comes to ranking on Google, content is king. So once you have a website, you want to have around 1,000 words of content on your homepage. And in that content, you want to have keywords. So what exactly is a keyword? So a keyword is a popular phrase that people use to look up for a service. So for instance, I noticed you offer handyman services in Orlando. So a popular keyword in Orlando for handyman services is Handyman Orlando. It has an average search volume of 500 per month. And as you can see, there's obviously many other keywords you can target, plus 85. However, I want to keep this video short and simple and easy to understand. So let's just focus on the keyword of Handyman Orlando. So let's head over to Google, and whenever you look up the keyword of Handyman Orlando, the first thing you see is the sponsor section, which is pretty much ads. Next is the map pack section, and the other section is the organic listing. A little fun fact about this is that about 30% of the traffic tend to stay in the map pack section and the ad section. The other 70% tend to stay in the organic listing. So why is it important that once you have a website, for your website to show up in the organic listing? The reason being is, ask yourself this: when was the last time you went on Google and went towards the second page, third page, etc.? Probably never. And if you did, it was probably a very rare occurrence. So that's why it's very essential for your business to be ranking on the top of Google in order for you to generate more leads for your business. So let's look at the website of Dr. Handyman Orlando and Handyman Company. So why exactly is Handyman Orlando ranking on Google? So right off the bat, I can see their title is Handyman Orlando, which is the exact keyword that we're looking for. As you can see, they have Orlando Handyman. So they use the word Orlando over 27 times, which is good. However, this is where the 1,000 words of content comes into play. If you can use the word Orlando a lot, you have to make sure it's balanced. Otherwise, Google will penalize you for stuffing keywords in your content. So you can see they did a great job adding all those keywords to the content, and as you can see, they definitely have over 1,000 words of content. So as you can see, content is king. Let's see if their images is saved under those keywords. So another way of doing this is by saving your images on those keywords. So when you create your website, make sure you save your images on those keywords. So you can see they did the same thing right here, Handyman Orlando. So as you can see, it's definitely helping them. As a result of them doing that, they're able to generate over 380 organic traffic per month, which is really, really good. All right, the next, so you can see, they don't have as much content, and let's see if it's done correctly. Oh. So they have Orlando over 62 times in their content, and as you can see, that does not really help. That's why they're ranking lower than them, because they're keyword stuffing, and that does not help you at all. So when it comes to ranking on Google, content is king. However, it is not the only influential factor. The next topic we'll be talking about is backlinks. So once you get your website, you want to make sure you start building your profile for your backlinks. And a backlink is essentially a clickable link that once you click on it, it will take you to your site. As a result of that link being on the other site, that other website transfers you over power. So let's see right here. Let me show you real quick. Backlinks, boom. So that person or company has a backlink from here, which I found in this comment section. Once you click on it, bam, takes you to your site. Pretty much that's what a backlink is. Now, I already went over this, but they generate over 380 traffic per month from 120 keywords. Handyman being their top one, they generate over 230. They generate 31 with Orlando Handyman, and you get the idea. This tool makes it really easy for our research because we're able to see what the competition is doing. So next, it should be the other website. So as you can see, they have more links, but they're not ranking number one. So it's quality over quantity. So obviously the other one has better quality and more relevant backlinks than this one. But regardless of that, they're able to generate over 438 traffic per month with different keywords. So Handyman Orlando being one of them, Handyman Services being the other, and so on. Now, for the last topic I'll be talking about is citations. So, business citations help you rank higher or in the top 3 of Google Maps. So, what exactly is a citation? So, a citation is websites like Yelp, Facebook, or directories that have your business name, business address, and business phone number, and all that must match your Google Business profile. And as a result of that happening, the more citations you have, the higher the trust Google has with you. The higher the trust, the higher you rank on Google. Like I said, that's not the only influential factor, but it is the most influential. So anyhow, I know I talked fast in this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me. I hope you have a great day. Bye bye.